Hi, I'm Brienne with Plum Fabulous Foods, and today I wanted to show you one of our favorite side dishes. This is a great snack for kids. It's a good side dish for dinner. It's really easy and quick to get together, and it's carrot salad. It has 3 ingredients. I think when you start adding extra things when you're dealing with kids, then they start getting a little bit pickier. I used to love to make big, exotic, complicated dishes, and I would serve them to my family and they would turn their nose up to them. And I have discovered that with children, there's 2 things that helps them to eat more vegetables. One, when they're raw, their flavor is less intense, and so kids tend to accept them quicker. And 2, when they have fewer ingredients and the children can tell what's in it, then they like it a little bit better. So this recipe has 3 ingredients. We've got our carrots, and I am not even going to peel these carrots. I'm not going to chop the ends off either. I'm just going to chop the tops off. And of course you can scale this back to your size. I have 6 children, and so we're going to use a whole 1 pound bag of carrots. Okay. All right, and then we have our food processor here. It's fitted with a blade that grates things. So we're just going to grate all of our carrots first. And one of the really great things about this recipe is that it's so easy. It's a really good one for children to learn how to make. So I really encourage you from 6 or 7 on to find ways for your kids to help you in the kitchen, because when kids help grow things, they eat them, and when kids help make things, they eat them. Okay? So if your goal is to have your child eat more vegetables, encourage them to garden and encourage them to cook. Okay, so we have our grated carrots. So the next step is going to be to add our mayonnaise. So we're going to have a video that shows you how we make our homemade mayonnaise. We discovered quickly that when you live out in the country, it's almost faster to learn how to make things from scratch than it is to go to the store and get some. But you can also just use regular store-bought mayonnaise if you want. Now, I don't have a measurement for this, but you can see I've got a 1 pound bag of carrots in here, and I'm going to put probably about 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. And then our last ingredient is going to be a handful of raisins. So again, I don't have measurements here, but I'm going to guess it's probably about 1 cup of raisins. And then you just mix it up, and that's it. And this is one of my kids' most favorite snacks. We have it at least once a week. You can see how easy it would be for a child to help make this. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up or a like, and check us out for some more videos next time. Thanks.